Getting a heat pump installed is a great first step towards home comfort and energy efficiency. What you do in the months and years that follow is what determines how well it performs. Heat pumps are designed to run in longer, steadier cycles, so frequent thermostat adjustments can work against them. Consistent maintenance matters too, and scheduling regular tune-ups protects your investment over time. When you have questions about your heat pump, we're here to help. Our team is committed to making sure your new system keeps running the way it should.